Message party for our more from grassroots for. Are you who and I'm afraid penny I won't fat.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. So now who calls Sam? Charlie? The latest gossip is NDC. They are trying to lower the expectation of their followers. Now, when they enter power, when they want power, they use the first 1 month and some 2 weeks to try to lower the expectation of Ghanaians, like all of us, NDC, MPP, CPP, PNC, and all. Lower all of them their expectation. Then when they were done, now their attention is turned to their followers. Why? Because their followers are becoming anxious. We promised 60 ministers. You have appointed almost 35. About 25 left to go. Who is going to be left out? Who and all? You say, oh. So hours they no go appoint us. Yen they won't appoint here. Now. They are growing wary, anxious. They are asking questions. They are applying pressure. And you see, these are the people you gave order to that they should go and attack government installation and facilities. That is the order you gave them. So they have gone to attack installations. They have sacked civil servants, and they are expecting employment. But you didn't tell them that, you see, it's not about sacking somebody who is working there. It's about having the necessary required certificates and expertise to work there. That is what is most important. If you just go and sack, but after sacking, will your name be enrolled on a controller and accountant general's list? No. And that is what we are all living to see. Now you see, they are failing to meet the expectation of their grassroots in terms of they've promised their grassroots so many juicy stuff. And they are just realizing that they cannot keep up with all those promises, all that they have promised their grassroots. And because they cannot keep up with all their promise, they are scared that the grassroots will turn against them. You see, I said this. The fear is not just about the grassroots voting against them. If that was it, at least they would know that they could manage it in a way or the other. The fear is that now many people have been armed. Many people have guns. Which guns they know how to use. Because prior to the election, this party deliberately armed its grassroots. Yes. Didn't we see the guns that were seized at Tema Harbor? We saw it. We saw how Malik was displaying gun at the coalition center. We saw all those things. Where do they get it from? It's from their leadership. Who sanctioned it? Their leadership. So they know very well that there are a lot of guns in the system, and you cannot chase people for guns. So you try it. You cannot. You are giving a gun ammunition to somebody to use, shoot and kill because we want power. And then you could not get power, so the person has not used the you got power, so the person failed to use the ammunition. He still has it because it's a deal on the illegal market. No, you cannot go and report that person to IGP. When the person goes to IGP, they will question, or the police, they will question, where did you get a gun from? We got it from so and so.
Message party for our more from grassroots for. Are you who and I'm afraid penny I won't fat. Be free way I won't fat. Share. Say, oh, John Mahama and chain just for a minute. Ube Swama.
And chief of staff.
And Julius.
And Julius.
And even General Mosquito. You will weep for them. Because me cramp on me backlog of messages mean to me answer. Me menchehe.
And go for lobby for enamuso.
Oh, fine, a bit me frame, memoano, a ya me from an tumbi. Yes, I know the other. Me so me drew babyness and me feel say o sefata. Why not? Our advice. But I advise keke ye paniefa. What must say? Me penifo bebre wo ha must send you messages are. Omu mie mpo no makan. Minim de ntia because me ami mu no mpo no. Obi a send me message December o. Me ntimi nko kan hwe na na ma me si bibie me WhatsApp ahun. Wo yem be hyew. Messages are mean bie ye. Because me person me bie wa bra me kan ye.
And then it will become a bigger scandal. So for that reason, no, our people cannot take back their guns. And anybody who has a gun, has ammunitions, has power. And so you are forced to meet the person's expectation, or the person will come and hold a gun on you, threaten you, blackmail you, kidnap you. Now you are saying that people should relax for Mahama. Nobody should relax for Mahama. The Nkukobo and Kitikiti for the branch executives. It must happen. Nkukobo and Kitikiti, it must happen. The Abubuya and then the poly tank and the Wallington boot for the party people. It must happen. Each and every one of your promises, you must be held accountable for them. You see, you cannot come and dilute the expectation at this point in time. It is too late. I am late, Dodo. I am late. Too late. The time for diluting expectation is far gone. The time that we are in now is a time for work, action. Acta non-verbal. Actions, not words. Time for words is gone. You sowed the word to the people and they voted for you. So now time for action. You must implement each and every one of them. When you were opposition leader, the same people were chatting you and you were replying them. The same people, the same number, because none of us has moved from MPP to go into NDC. So the same people now, you were answering them. You were having time for them. Now you have one power, you are not replying their messages. Hey. Nanwe nakafa bayo nwanije nanu yara na odi bayo onwani jejereje mwamu jejereje. Let's see how you manage the expectation of your people, and that is the reason you are going to lose woefully. WOEFULLY, woefully. That is how you are going to lose in 2028, because you don't think about the nation, you only think about your pockets. So you don't mind lying your way into power. And anybody that lies their way into power, they get exposed. And that is what is going to happen. You guys are gonna get exposed. 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 This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.